Over the first half of the year, you spent time deciding on some goals for yourself. You stored these goals in your personal learning plan, which was found on a Google site. It is now time to begin uploading artifacts or evidence that show ways in which you are working on meeting your goal for the year. To start with, we want to go to Google Sites. On your account, make sure that you're logged into your North Broward account and go to Google Sites. And then search your last name to find your specific Google site. Once you've opened up your Google site, you'll see the tab at the top that's titled the Personal Learning Plan and Goals. Click on this tab, and in the middle, you will see that there is the list of the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. You want to click the hyperlink of the grade in which you're currently in. I'll click 7th grade, and you should see that you now have your template. Your template should be complete in that it has your first and last name and a habit of mind goal. It should have your first and last name and your academic goal, and it should also have your first and last name and your own personal enrichment goal. The right-hand column of your screen should look exactly like mine, but what we want to do now is go ahead and upload your evidence. To do this, click on the pencil in the top right corner to edit the page. Let's start with the habit of mind goal. Go ahead and delete where it says trimester 1 evidence, but you can see your cursor is still there. Your evidence should be stored in your Google Drive. So click Insert, come on over to under Google and click on Drive, and then choose whatever type of evidence that you want. For this one, I'm going to upload a document so that you can see what it looks like. Scroll through until you find a document that is going to be the example of what you're wanting. Mine is going to be titled Advertisement. It was an article that I wrote for English. This would be a good thing to show for my communication. Go ahead and change the height to 300 and leave the width empty. This will make sure that it goes to the full size of that square, and press save. It's going to have uploaded this directly into the space. For right now, just so we can see what this looks like, go ahead and press save. You've successfully uploaded the first artifact. It's really simple to do. And the best part about this is that you can now go through and scroll in your document and see the entire thing right here embedded right into the site. The next step is to upload an artifact for the academic goal. So we'll do the same thing. You want to click on the pencil, scroll on down to your academic goal, and let's delete that trimester 1 evidence. Make sure your cursor is right there. Press Insert. Remember, you inserted from Google Drive. And this time, let's insert a presentation just so you can see what this looks like. I have a presentation that some 8th graders did for their touch points. So I'm going to go ahead and select it and press Select. You want this to be on size and small so it doesn't take up the entire screen, and press Save. This is now uploaded directly in. Again, let's press Save on our screen in the top right corner just so we can see what it looks like. And another thing I want to show you now that's really neat is you can see that you have your evidence and artifact from your learning goal. You can scroll and see that directly in here. And now if you've uploaded a PowerPoint as an artifact, you can click directly through and see your entire PowerPoint right here on the Google site. No need to go anywhere else. You want to go ahead and do this again for the trimester 1 evidence for your personal goal. So click the pencil to edit the page. Go ahead and delete the trimester 1 evidence, keeping your cursor. Insert. Remember to come and insert from your drive. And this time let's insert a video so you can see this. I'm going to insert one of the French Club videos and press Select. Let's change this to 300 by 300 just to make an even square, and press Save. It's in here now, but we need to come up to the top and press Save in the top right corner. And your video will now be directly on your Google site. And the cool thing is, again, you can see your video by pressing play, and you never have to leave your site. The next step will be to start reflecting on this piece. Why did you choose to put it in here? And you can see that it says personal reflection under each of your artifacts. So to edit this, you'll come back up to your pencil in the top right corner to edit, and then you'll simply type your reflection directly underneath your artifact. If you're wanting to know what you might use as a prompt, you want to go ahead and click on Artifacts in the tab, and you'll see there's a form titled the Artifact Reflection Form. You don't answer on this form, but you can use these prompts in the middle as the guideline to help you with your reflection. Think about why you chose this artifact, why it was something important to you, how it shows your progress on your goal, and the evidence of growth, what you still need to do as you move forward. That's easy and simple. That's all you do to upload artifacts directly onto your personal learning plan in your Google site.